In this video, I'm going to show you the current best-selling niches for merch by Amazon. By the way, if you like an inspiration, I've got 200 plus niches that you can download with the link down below in the description. Also, if you don't have a Merch by Amazon account, we've got a Merch by Amazon creation service, which you can find out more detail about down below in the description. Let's dive deeper on my computer. Right, so let's talk about the best-selling Merch by Amazon niches that you can enter right now and make some decent money. The first one is this one right here. It's going absolutely viral right now. It's not as viral as something like Let's Go Brandon, which I would not advise anyone to go into. I'm going to discuss it in a bit later, so don't you worry about that. But for now, teaching second grade on Tuesday, not Tuesday, Tuesday. How did this one come about? The 22nd of February 2022 actually falls on a Tuesday, so they named it Tuesday in reference to the dates full of the number 2. It's actually brilliant. I probably wouldn't have figured it out. In terms of the design, it's really good. They're using the rainbow, which is something that's trending right now. I like the sun. The color scheme is pretty good. No wonder why it's selling. Just to confirm, yes, it does fall on a Tuesday, February 22nd, 2022. Now, if we run this search on Jungle Scout extension, we can see that there's plenty of t-shirts that are doing really well. As you can see, 22 kbsr, 41 kbsr, and it goes on and on and on. And what you would notice is that most of them have just been uploaded lately, all within a few days. This indicates a niche that is doing really well and that is trendy. So you guys can potentially get into this niche and sell a ton of t-shirts until the 22nd of February 2022. So today is the 14th of January. You probably have about a month and 8 days, plenty of time to make some decent sales. My advice for this niche is make sure you use school colors, scheme or palette. Maybe make t-shirts for students rather than for teachers, because this t-shirt is mainly designed for teachers. So maybe if you make one for students, it might attract students to buy it, or at least their parents. Try and infuse it with another niche, maybe the pop-it niche, because it is going viral as well. And if you struggle with coming up with new ideas, just see the best ones that are selling right now and improve them. What I mean by improve them is that make sure that you have a design that is better than what's currently out there. If you put out a crappy design, no one is going to buy it. And by the way, guys, this is not just for the school niche. You can actually use it for Taco Tuesday. You could just do a design that says Tuesday, 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 whatever, right? There's plenty of opportunity in this niche. Just do a simple search of Tuesday in Merch Research or whatever platform you're using to do your research, or just do it on Amazon and see what designs come up. And once you find something that appeals to you, that you see an opportunity in pursuing, then you could potentially figure out what is the best design in that particular niche and then work on that design and improve it further. That's how we do it, guys. You got to dig deeper to figure out an opportunity. Along the same niche, guys, I want you to type 100 days of school and look at how many t-shirts come up that are really ranking well. I mean, look at that, guys. 41k, 31k, 20k, 18k. This niche is doing really well. It's going viral. And what you'd find is plenty of themes that are sticking out. So the pop-it theme, and you've got the rainbow theme. The dinosaur theme, I'd say, I wouldn't say it's very outdated, but it's a bit outdated. You wouldn't see many designs that are dinosaur related these days. Maybe that trend was like three years ago. But mainly the trend now is the rainbow and the pop-it. And obviously the animal print or animal skin, whatever you want to call it. My advice, guys, is try and infuse a trending niche with a trending theme. What I mean by theme is this: puppet or the rainbow or dinosaur. That's how you guys will stand out a bit more than the competition. If we run it through Jungle Scout, as you can see, plenty of t-shirts that are below 100k BSR. As you can see, they're really selling well. So these are daily sales estimate, of course, and monthly estimate sales. Next, the niche that I want to touch on is Chinese New Year 2022. Running it through Jungle Scout, as you can see, we've got some pretty decent BSR. Not as good as the 100 days of school, but it's pretty good. I mean, the lowest BSI is 34k, not too bad. There's plenty of design variations. Check out the one that you like and improve it. Try and bring in new ideas. Maybe go to Pinterest, go to Redbubble, go to other POD platforms, get ideas from there and import them onto the Merch by Amazon platform. But I would assume it's going to get even more viral leading up to the final date of Chinese New Year. And guys, you don't have to just focus on the Chinese New Year or the Year of the Tiger or anything related to tiger. You probably could do something to do with samurai or anime, anything related to the Chinese culture or Japanese culture. I've got some samurai designs that are absolutely killing it right now. So like I said, you don't have to focus on the actual main design of this niche. You could do related niches, and if the main niche does really well, then related niches would typically do well as well. Next, we've got I Teach the Sweetest Little Hearts. As you might have noticed, it's you've got a heart in here. It's very girly, and it's a Valentine's Day niche. Now, Valentine's Day is about a month away, so you have some time to design some new designs and hopefully they'll do well for you. Just make sure that you focus on the red color, the pink color, anything to do with Valentine's Day colors. This is very important. You don't want to do yellow or green. You have to always respect the color scheme of that particular holiday or celebration. In this case, it's Valentine's. And in terms of who this t-shirt targets, obviously it targets teachers. So you can do this t-shirt for any other niche like nurses, parents, grandpa, grandma, mom, dad, friend, brother, sister. You can just change the wording and play around with the rainbow and stuff like that. The limit is your imagination, guys. Now, when I run it through Jungle Scout, it's not very, very viral, guys. Only one of these designs is doing really well. My guess is that it's ranked really well on the main niche, which is Valentine's Day, but it's not ranking really well. But the rest of the designs are not ranking that well because they probably have not ranked well in the main niche, which is Valentine's Day. And my guess is that it's probably going to get better in the next few days. So you might want to check it out or not. Completely up to you. And here is what the designs look like, guys. These are pretty similar. They're probably uploaded by the same person or 2 copycats or 3 copycats. The competition is below 1,000, so that's always good to see. Give it a go, you might make some sales. The next one is Founders Day, a Serious Matter J15. Now guys, this one is debatable. I would say it's in the gray area. Personally, I wouldn't do it, but I just wanted to show you that it's doing really well. Founders Day anyway is on the 15th of January, so you don't have time to upload. And even if you were to upload, you probably have only one day to sell, in which case you probably won't sell at all because most people want to wear this t-shirt on the 15th of January. I just wanted to show you and let you know that you probably should not make this t-shirt in case you're thinking of making it. A, from a copyright perspective, and B, because it's probably a bit too late. Here are some of the designs that people have made. They look pretty good. A lot of them are pretty similar. And here is what it looks like on Jungle Scout. As you can see, it flows nicely from 64k to 674k. I mean, it's not a viral niche, but it's got some sales. While I was looking at potential copyright infringement, whether this is a copyright or not, I found this and it looks like it's Alpha Sorority Incorporated. I wouldn't touch this. Honestly, I wouldn't. The next one is the famous Let's Go Brandon t-shirt. It's still doing really, really well. It's absolutely killing it, but is it safe or not? I would not touch this one, guys, because Brandon has come out and said, I will sue anyone who sells t-shirts online with my name, right? I've seen the article, it's gone really viral and everybody knows about it, yet people are still uploading to Amazon. A lot of people want to take risks. I'm not that kind of person, so I would not advise you guys to go on this niche. But you might be tempted by the very low BSR on this niche. It's crazy. Let's Go Brandon is absolutely smashing it, guys. I mean, look at this low BSR. I would say one of the most successful niches by far in Merch by Amazon, but it's not safe. Don't do it, guys. That's my advice. If you want to do it, that's completely up to you. The next one is Let's Go Darwin, along the lines of Let's Go Brandon. Same thing I would say don't touch it, right? Pretty good design, very simple, a bit of distress, nice color combination, boom, in your face. I like it. Not as viral as Let's Go Brandon, but it's making some sales, as you can see. But like I said, I would not advise you to go there, guys. The niches that appeal to me right now, I would say the 100 days of school. 100%. The Tuesday niche, 100 days of school, give them a go. We still have plenty of time to make designs for these niches. And like I said, if you guys do really well, you probably will get out of your tier 10, tier 25, tier 100, and hey, you might even reach tier 1000. That's if you're just starting out. The sky's the limit, guys. And that's what I love about Merch by Amazon. One design can make you thousands. It's absolutely crazy. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and all that jazz. I'll see you in the next video.